Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cook authentic spinach vegetable soup in Diaspora. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to share and subscribe. So for this recipe, I will be using my chopped spinach, and I also be combining it with unchopped spinach. But either way, you can use any one of them, but preferably the unchopped one. But I will be combining the two. I have my salt here, my onion, habanero pepper, crayfish, paprika, my seasoning cube, and also ogiri okpeyi. This is local seasoning. I have my palm oil. I also have my shrimp. Over here is my catfish, my dry catfish, and my grilled goat meat. But either way, you can use any protein of your choice. Over here, I have my cod stockfish, which I will be using as well. And here is my cow tail. But like I said earlier, use any protein of your choice. So I'll be cooking with my pressure pot to quicken the cooking process. First, I'll be adding my cow tail inside my pressure pot. And I will follow it up with my stockfish. Now I will add my seasoning cube. You can use any bouillon or seasoning cube of your choice, but I prefer using Knorr cube. So once I'm done adding the Knorr cube, I will slice in my onion, part of my onion. I will not be putting all of them now. Then I add water to the level of the meat. I will also try to push my stockfish down so that the water can cover everything inside the pot. Then once I'm done, I will add in some salt to it. Then I will cover my pot and allow this to cook till it's tender. I normally cook it 25 minutes. So moving on, I'll start preparing the rest of the ingredients. Meanwhile, I will be adding some hot water inside my fish and my goat meat to soften it a bit so that I can wash out any sand in it before I debone the fish. Over to my spinach. First of all, I will add all of them inside a sieve before I will start cutting it. The spinach is a little bit frozen because I brought it out from my freezer and kept it inside my fridge overnight so that it will be easy for me to cut with my knife. You can see the water that is coming out from it. I will allow it to continue draining while I chop the spinach, though I'm chopping the one that is not yet chopped. Then I will bring a plate where I will be putting it. Now I'm done cutting all the vegetables, so I will keep draining out the water and pressing it down to enable the water to come out. So this is the extent of the water that I was able to get now. So I will still leave it inside here to continue draining while I move on in preparing other ingredients. So I will start washing my catfish and my goat meat. Meanwhile, I'll be washing it with a bigger bowl. once I'm done washing my meat and my goat meat, I will set it aside and move on to the next step. So right now I will start dicing my onion. That's the remaining onion. I will dice it and set it aside. Now I will slice my paprika, and after that I will set it aside and move on with my habanero pepper. I will use my fork to dice my habanero pepper because this can be very hot. So I'll be using my fork to guide it, and after that I will take it out and move on to the next step. So right now I'll be blending my crayfish and my ogiri okpeyi together. Then once I'm done, I keep it aside and move on to my prawn. So I just threw away the water that came out from the spinach. Then I will start preparing the shrimp. I wanted to call it prawn again. I don't know why I keep calling this prawn. So first of all, I'm taking out the skin of the shrimp. And once I'm done taking out the skin, I will show you the easiest way you can use to take out the intestine of the shrimp. So once I'm done taking out the skin of the shrimp, I will get my toothpick. Then I will go to the tail end of the shrimp, put it inside, and then bring out the intestine. Just draw it out, it will come out. I will be repeating the process for those that wasn't looking before. I don't know if I explained this very well, but may looking at it, you understand what I mean. Go to the tail end, put your toothpick inside, then draw out the intestine, just like so. Another way you can use to take out the intestine of the shrimp is by using your knife to make a straight cut on the shrimp, then open it and use your nail to bring out the intestine. For the skin of the shrimp, I will not be throwing it out. I will keep it aside in my freezer and store it there for later use. You can use it to prepare shrimp soup. You can as well cook the water and use it as your shrimp seasoning. I'm done preparing everything and my meat is ready. So I'll be taking out the stockfish to debone it. I will transfer my meat stock into another pot which I will be using to cook the soup. So right now I will start cooking the soup, but first of all I will add in my catfish and my goat meat. Then I will follow it up with my crayfish and my ogiri okpeyi. Then I will also be adding my palm oil. I will cover my pot and allow this to cook for at least 10 minutes, and I will start deboning my stockfish. After deboning my stockfish, I will set it aside and I will move back to my pot. This is almost 10 minutes now, so I'll be adding my shrimp. And I will also follow it up with the remaining onion. Then I will give this a stir. Then after that, I will cover my pot and allow the shrimp to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will come back to my pot. I will also be checking the level of the water because vegetable soup doesn't require a lot of water. So I added my stockfish. I'll be throwing in my pepper now, my paprika and my habanero pepper. Now I will be adding the cow tail that I prepared earlier. So I will give this a stir. It doesn't have any water in it again. So I'll be adding my spinach. Then once I'm done adding all the spinach, I will combine it very well with my wooden spoon. Once I'm done combining it very well, I will cover and cook this for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I will come back, stir it. Then after that, I will check for salt. If the salt is not enough, I will add more. So I added a little bit of salt again, and I will stir and cover this and cook for a minute again so that the salt can be able to cook down. So I will use the remaining 1 minute to clean my surface. Then after that, my soup is ready. So I give it a final stir and dish it out. So as I'm dishing the soup for my in-law, I want to use this medium to thank you so much for watching. For my returning subscribers and my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. I appreciate you for watching. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to share, comment, give this video a thumbs up. I know you are thinking what I'm thinking. Are you done preparing your swallow? Please come with any swallow of your choice so that we can eat this soup together. You can as well eat this soup with rice and with yam. So that is it for today's video. Bye.